mulla de agus as bé me legan sé ar an dá cheangachas. Tá riine óga ar fud an ilinn ag taspant belly nua spagula chun antseanga a chun cín agus lúk a chur leighí. Dá tóg fiad thu marúachtarrán, céin ról a bhaid ag an Gaeilge i rit a chuimse.
Go do míle mágad a sucht an íirecht iontóg atá déanta agat ó híomh na Gaeilgeide, agus marúachtarrán ba Gaeilge fitte fúte í mo híl. Is í Gaeilge príomhtheanga na tíre, níl an dar a ráha agam ach í a úsáid. Ach níos táhaigtaí ná sin, is Gaeilge cuid den réiteach den a fáil atá agan. Is teanga umláin difriúil den bhéirle an Gaeilge. Is spellach eile chun breanú ar an dain, lansa eile chun fécinnt ar na feibanna nó na dúshlán atá os our core. I think the Irish language is our first language. It comes as second nature for me to use it, not in terms of accuracy or my grammar, but in terms of it's our language. And, you know, I've always had a difficulty with Irish being looked on as a problem. Mm. Irish is not the problem. Irish is an absolute gift and an advantage, as is multilingualism, because what it does, it helps you to step in and out of different worlds and view the world through different lenses. And the big mistake that we make when we're learning the Irish language is we're learning it as if it's an offshoot of English.
Yeah.
It's taken me a very long time to realize that it's an utterly different language, looking at the world in an utterly different way. And the best example of that is how close the Irish language is to nature. And there's no artificial division between nature and the person speaking Irish or living in an Irish community. That artificial division that we have created in English from the industrial era and from neoliberal agenda, this as if we're not one and the same. To me, and I'm no expert, it doesn't exist in the Irish language.
And in terms of the role, obviously you're incredibly passionate and a fantastic advocate, and you previously served as chair of the Committee for An Gaeltacht for the Irish language. Do you think you would treat Irish with a primacy within the role as president?
I've always done so, even as I struggle to improve my Irish. But in Galway, I had the advantage of going back to college in the evening and doing a diploma in translation. But so I'm acutely aware of my mistakes, but equally I'm acutely aware of what a wonderful language it is. And so, of course, any president has to have Irish. I mean, all the better if we've more than one language, but to at least have our two languages, English and Irish, and use it and promote it as the wonderful languages it is and the advantages to it.
I couldn't agree more, and it's so great to hear you say that. It's so beautiful to hear you talk about the interconnection and how, the English language and our minds within it kind of decenters us from the world that we live. And Irish has always been, I think young people are seeing that right now, has been this community building act of learning the language and being part of something much bigger than yourself. I think it's really amazing.